Leg toning, fitness zen, healthy toning using your own body weight. When done with a partner, this helps you to keep your back straight, and it's more fun. Teamwork. If you are working out alone, place a support of few centimeters under your heels to compensate so you can keep your back straight. Don't lower yourself past your knee to avoid straining your ligaments and to prevent increased internal pressure of the knee joint. Feel the contraction recovery after each repetition. Breathe smoothly at all times. We are Alain, Tello, Robledo, AtelTrainer.